Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. First of all, to the Honorable Mrs. Diana Patricia, our lecturer in this course, and all my friends for joining our presentation on Record Zoom today. We are from Group 5, presenting our topic about common stock. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hafiz Karisma Tama, and our group member Latifah Dekdebel, Saulia Rahmi, and Rozi Muhammad Al-Ghifari. Well, we go to the first material about definition of common stock. Based on Wikipedia, common stock or ordinary shares are commercial securities in the form of a charter of certificate of title that provide the holder with evidence of the rights and obligation regarding an ownership stake in the unlimited profits of a company. Common stock has the opposite nature of preferred stock in terms of voting, dividend distribution, and other rights. Ordinary shares generally have the right to vote. Shareholders have voting right at the GMS. If shareholders do not come to the GMS, they can represent their rights to other shareholders, called proxies. Common stockholders can influence company policies through a voting process in policy and objective. Splitting shares and electing company director, common stockholders have benefits in the form of dividends and capital gains. The advantage and disadvantage of common stock. The advantage, first, there is no fixed obligation to pay dividends to common stockholders. Two, has no maturity, so it's more flexible. The risk is lower than any other long-term funding source. Three, common stock can improve capital structure comparison of debt to equity. Four, allows for business diversification and increased liquidity, gets allocation of cash, and makes it easier to measure company value. Next will be presented by Rozi Muhammad Al-Ghifari.
Disadvantage: 1. Dividends are not tax deductible. 2. Common stock has a high cost of capital. 3. Common stock, when viewed from the side of investor, can reduce control over the company. 4. Common stock causes agency problem in the form of agency conflicts. 5. Decrease earning per share. 6. More and more parties are observing the company's activities. Common stock funding types. Common stock is divided into several types, namely 1. Featured shares are shares of companies that have been nationally recognized. In addition, shareholder companies have a history of profit, growth, and quality corporate management. 2. Growth stock are stocks that have the opportunity to provide greater profit growth compared to the average of other stock. Growth stock have a high share price ratio. 3. Defensive stock are stocks that tend to be more stable in times of recession or an uncertain economy. Defensive stocks are concerned with dividends, earnings, and market performance. 4. Cyclical stocks are securities whose value tends to rise rapidly when economic activity is busy. Meanwhile, when economic activity is low, the value of securities also decreases. 5. Speculative stocks are stocks whose value depends on very high speculation. In speculative stocks, the rate of return is very low and negative. 6. Seasonal stocks are company stock whose sales vary and follow the condition of each season. This type of stock is generally influenced by weather condition and holidays.
And then this is the formula to calculation of the cost of capital from the search of funds and the model formula according Gordon's to calculating the cost of emission or flotation cost. Next. Examples of this funding in the real world. One example is stock warrants. If the company goes bankrupt, the owner of common stock will only get the last priority in terms of sharing the company's profit, but the maximum amount of loss that he bears is in accordance with the amount of funds invested. How to issue shares by company. To issue shares, company must start by conducting an initial public offering or EPO. EPO are a great way for a company seeking additional capital to grow. To begin the EPO process, the company must work with an underwriting investment banking firm, which helps determine the type and price of the stock. After the EPO stage is complete, the general public is allowed to buy new shares on the secondary market. So this is the reference about our topic. Thank you.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.